Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to start our favorite file or folder on Google Drive. So if you have a ton of different files, folders, pictures, or whatever it may be, and you want to add it to like a favorite list, somewhere where you can easily find it, this is how you do it. I'm going to use this photos folder here, and I'm going to open this. And let's say I have a photo within this folder here that I would like to favorite or start. Let me go ahead and first change the view so that I can have a look at them. So at the top right, I'm going to simply click the option that says grid, because you have two options. You have the list and you also have the grid. And let's say I want to favorite or start this folder. All I have to do is right click on it and then hover over organized, and I have the option that says add to start. So if I click on this, it will be moved to my start. And you may be wondering, where is this start or this favorite folder? On the left hand side, you have the option here right under recent that says start. You can do this for files and you can do this for a folder. Before I go there, I'm going to do a folder and show you that you can do folders as well. So let me go back. Let's say I would like to start this folder here that says shared with friends. Right click on it under organize, then click on start, and it will be moved. Now if I go to the start, you can see here that I know of a folder and I have a file. And that's it. In case at any point in time you want to remove them, you can do it from the folder itself, or you can simply go ahead and right click on those files, go back to organize, and you can unstart it, or let's say unfavorite it by click remove, and it will be removed. And you can do the same. Let's go back to my drive here. As I said, you can do it from here, or you can go back to your drive. You can right click on it from anywhere, original location, unorganize, and you can remove it. Now if you go back to the start, it's empty. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.